Today, we're diving into Hypernatural AI, a tool that promises to make video creation smarter and more efficient. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what it offers and whether it's really worth your time and money. Hypernatural AI is designed to streamline the video production process by leveraging artificial intelligence. At its core, it assists users in generating video content quickly, whether for marketing, tutorials, or social media. The interface feels intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned creators. One standout feature is its ability to analyze scripts and suggest visuals, which could save a lot of time when planning shots. However, while the tool seems to cater to a wide audience, including content creators and marketers, I found some areas lacking clarity. For instance, the specifics on customization options are a bit vague. Can you really tailor the AI outputs to match your brand's voice? It's not entirely clear. Users might also appreciate the integration with various platforms, but the actual performance in real-world scenarios may vary. Overall, it has potential, but parts of the experience still feel a bit underdeveloped. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Hypernatural AI can significantly speed up the video creation process, which is a huge plus for busy creators. Its user-friendly interface makes it approachable for newcomers. However, there are some downsides. Some users may feel frustrated with the limited customization features. If you're looking for something highly tailored, you might find Hypernatural lacking. Plus, with new AI tools emerging constantly, there's a sense of uncertainty about long-term support and updates. For those who thrive on creative control, this might not be the best fit. But for marketers or anyone needing quick, decent quality video content, it could be a valuable asset. In conclusion, Hypernatural AI has a lot to offer, especially for those looking to simplify video production. If you're a marketer or a content creator who needs quick solutions, it may be worth trying out. However, if you value deep customization and control, you might want to explore other options.